Good day, Philippines. Welcome to 24 Hours News. Today, we bring you a special report on 4 presidential decrees that help protect the country's natural resources and environment.
This Presidential Decree number 389, Presidential Decree No. 953, Presidential Decree No. 1219, and Presidential Decree 1251. Let's begin.
Presidential Decree number 389 was signed in 1974. It is known as the Forestry Reform Code of the Philippines.
Its main goal was to protect and conserve the country's forests, watersheds, wildlife, and natural resources. The decree promotes proper forest management, compensation, and the prevention of illegal logging. It also combines forestry agencies into a single Bureau of Forest Development.
Forest play is an important role in preventing floods, protecting wildlife, and maintaining ecological balance. Now, let's hear from Mr. Taganile and Mr. Gularan for the tree planting requirement.
Maglaga nandun sa Agosan del Sur, nandun na yung sa barangay Patinahin diri sa may Kapitol. O diri nga laganan wala kay mabayaran. Pwede mo nga malagan ng ilang nindot sa place o ilang isay. Tara, sorry ta.
Palaro tuang sur, hai, hai, palaro tuang sur, ya, ya, yuk, yuk, yuta, ayo, ayo, hey ya, ho.
Nautan na ko sito diyan, wato ko lang na eh. Bay, nautan na sito, bay. Sito na ko kayo. Salamat tayo.
Time for a moment to breathe. Relax with natural tea. C2 green tea. Enjoy relaxing with C2 green tea.
Get yours now.
Thank you, Miss Lagulaw, PD 953, tree planting requirement. Presidential Decree number 953 require every citizen to participate in tree planting activity. The degree encourages school, government office, and private organization to plant trees and help to restore damaged forests.
This decree was to increase forest cover and promote environmental awareness among Filipinos. Back to you, Mr. Magadan.
Tree planting remains one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect our environment. Now we will also talking about Presidential Decree 1219. Mr. Bayang and Mr. Ribas, can you explain to them what is Presidential Decree 1219 means?
Pag 3 pataas, mag-wanna get preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-wanna get preschool. 3 plus, batang may laban.
PD 1219 Coral Resource Development and Conservation Decree. Presidential Decree No. 1219 was issued in 1977 to regulate the exploration, utilization, and conservation of coral resource in Philippines water. The law recognizes the importance of coral reefs and habitats for marine life and as protection against coastal erosion. It promoted responsibility use of coral resources while ensuring their conservation for good sources. Up to you, Ms. Lagulaw.
Coral reef are often called the rainforest of the sea because they are supported rich variety of marine organisms. Now, let's hear from Mr. Alam and Mr. Daig for PD 1251 Environmental Protection.
Nautan na kung sito dyan, wato ko lang na eh. Bay, nautan na sito, bay. May sito na ko kayo. Salamat tayo.
Time for a moment to breathe. Relax with natural tea. C2 green tea. Enjoy relaxing with C2 green tea.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-connected preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-connected preschool. 3 plus, batang may laban.
Laga nandun sa Agusan del Sur, nadre na himutan sa barangay Patinay, dire sa may Kapitol.
O, kiri nga laganan, wala kay babayaran. Kini mo nga malagan ang ilang nindot nga place o ilang mga design. Tara, soroy ta.
Palaro tuang sur. Hai, hai. Wow, 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 wow. Palaro tuang sur. Ya, 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 ya. Yuk, yuk, yuta. Ayuk, ayuk. Hey, ya, hey, ya. Ay, ho.
Thank you, Ms. Lagulaw. I report to Presidential Decree 1251 Environmental Protection.
Presidential Decree number 1251 strengthen government support to protect the environment and natural resources. It supports conservation program and encourage responsible use of the country's resources to ensure sustainable development.
Up to you, Mr. Magadan.
That concludes our special report on Presidential Decree of 389, Presidential Decree of 953, Presidential Decree of 1219, and Presidential Decree 1251.
Remember, environmental protection starts with each one of us. This is 24 Hours News, bringing facts, protecting the future. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-volunteer preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-volunteer preschool. 3 plus, batang may laban.
Bayot yung siglo, ano? Bayot! Pinsa? Ito isa.
Thank you, Ms. Yang.
Thank you, Mr. Magada.
So guys, naulan na namin mag-film. Oopsie to Grande! Napoy na ko. Asa na ba sound?
Wala na.
Mga ano, mga tourist spot sa Agusan. Itong force ito nga waste to tubig.
Thank you, Mr. Magada.
Kinsa?
Ito isa.
Minyuza?
Oh, Miyuza mo. Si Miyuza ba? Oh.
Sige.
Ang hibi ba?